This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Donna ONeal. Easy access, unrestricted acreage on a paved county road. 3.0 acres of level, gentle rolling wooded property with pretty seasonal mountain views. Driveway already cut in, a level cleared home site, used to have mobile home, 2-bedroom septic system and electricity on the property. Did I say unrestricted? Divide the property into 2 lots or enjoy the whole 3 acres. For more information, review the details below or contact Donna ONeal at 770-356-9034.